Greetings! With this video, we wanted to explain to you how to utilize our service to implement your own company branding with the custom HTML on published files that you share via TeamDrive. If you want to share a file with TeamDrive via download, the recipient will be given a link to the download page, which utilizes the default HTML TeamDrive design. To change this layout visually, you must upload and use a customized HTML for that download page. You can visit our shop and navigate to the settings and click on Manage. Scroll down where you will find the link to the admin console. You can only log in if you are a registered customer with us, which requires at least one purchase. In this admin console, next to many other things, you can manage your members. Click on Accounts and select your account. Scroll down a bit where you will find on the right hand side an option to paste in your custom HTML source code for your published download site. If you lack the time, the knowledge or the proficiency for HTML and CSS programming, you can simply contact us via the contact form on our website. On request, we gladly provide you with a style guide with which you can communicate your design ideas with us. Simply fill in all the fields as you wish for us to realize your custom publisher download page. The PDF is interactive. Save the PDF file once you have filled in all the fields and send it back to us. Once we have received your PDF style guide, our programmers will start developing your HTML. If you would like us to professionally craft your HTML for you, we gladly assist you. This service, which we just mentioned, however, comes with a fee of €150 or US and includes both the publisher HTML and the Outlook attachment download page HTML. There are two download page HTMLs, one for the published files via TeamDrive and one for the attached files with the Outlook add-in. Keep in mind that these HTML files are different to one another and not the same. Should you edit the wrong HTML with the wrong format or upload the wrong file or source code, chances are that the HTMLs will not work properly.